Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to move multiple reports here on Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Moving multiple reports in Salesforce typically involves moving them from one folder to another or migrating them between different Salesforce environments. For example, from a sandbox to production. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the app launcher on the left side panel of your dashboard and click on Sales. That would lead you to the interface where you can see the Reports tab. This one right here. I want you to click on it, and this is going to be the easiest way for you to move multiple reports. Click on the old reports right here. You can select anything here. For example, I'm going to be selecting this kind of report, this one. How to move multiple reports on Salesforce. There's going to be a drop-down menu here where it says click move. All right. What will happen is you would be asked to where do you want to move this folder. You see this one, I'm gonna select this share report folder, select that. Now, of course, if you wanted to move so many reports, you can do it. All right. For example, this one, click that and move it to the folder that you wanted. For example, the dashboard reports adoption, click that and select folders. Because by doing so, you are reorganizing them within the same org or migrating them to another environment. Okay? But remember to choose the approach that best suits your needs and your familiarity with Salesforce tools. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.